Now, James and Oliver, you guys have got to be exciting about opening up your store. Weasley's Wizarding Wheezes, sorry. Say that 10 times fast. Now, we have some cool stuff actually behind you that we're gonna talk about. Some first time ever we're revealing these products. We're gonna talk you guys through them right now. I think we have the decoy detonator up first. Now, when you need a diversion, just drop one of these and we'll run off, create a loud bang, a terrible smell, and some black smoke. That is definitely the decoy detonator. Next, we have the Umbridge on a unicycle, which is on prominent display at the Wizard Wheezes. This miniature Dolores Umbridge on unicycle travels aimlessly about spouting useless information, just like Dolores herself. And last, we have this nose-biting teacup. Tired of your friends stealing your tea? Serve them one of these. That'll stop that real quick. Now, I understand, James and Oliver, we have some snack boxes you guys are going to talk us through.
Yeah, can I start and say they won't make you sick unless you probably eat a lot and then go on the forbidden journey or something.
And then eat some more.
Yeah,
it's kind of what whenever we speak to anybody about the Weasley's Visiting Wheezes joke shop, they always say, "I wish I could have a snack box." Not necessarily for, well, probably for getting out of school and stuff, but also to actually have a Skiving snack box. And as you can see, they're pretty authentic looking. So I can't wait. I'm strangely intrigued what the puking pasties taste like.
Also, these were, especially mine, and maybe Oliver as well, these were our favourite props from the whole movie. So when we learned earlier that these were going to be available, we got very excited.
It'd be nice to see them actually in hand.
Actually edible, yeah, that's what I'm looking forward to.
Very nice. Now, so you haven't tried any of these yet?
No, we haven't, no.
Excellent. I don't have them here. We're going to have to make that happen. We're going to have to get you guys in there and let us know what you think of them when they come out here.
Definitely.
Are you guys excited about the snack boxes? What item would you most want to buy in Diagon Alley?
I fear that I'm about to steal something off you two here, but you've just absolutely, with your little pitch back there, you've inspired. I want some Skiving snack boxes. They're absolutely, it's the sort of things like, because the film's finished so long ago, just seeing them up there and reading the names just took me back to reading the books, and I just remember it all. So that was pretty cool. So yeah, I think I'd like to get to Weasley Wizard Wheezes and pick some of them up. Sorry if that was what you were going to buy as well.
He's coming up with another one now.
Yeah, thanks, Matt.
You could say the same thing.
I'm gonna go a bit sideways. I heard a poo. That'd be quite fun. Yeah. So
that is a bit sideways.
I have no idea. So, Ivana, what is a poo?
You created it. What are you talking about?
I know, but I was trying to explain it to Matt and I couldn't.
I don't want to. Don't do that to me. Don't do it.
Thank you very much. Right, yeah. So that.
Got your answer.
The constipation sensation that's gripping the nation. Is that what you just said?
Okay, so James wants one of those. Yeah, I think I'm going to have to go with Matt, a Skiving snack box, but specifically for the puking pasties.
A magic cat? I find cats pretty great already, so a magic one would be like 10 times cool. I can't think of anything better.
All right. Devin?
I'm liking the snack box from the Wheezes as well. That's pretty cool. I'm sorry, it's nothing crazy.
What do you think you would eat first out of it?
The puking pastilles. You just gotta try them. You know?
Keeps with the explosions. It works out.
It could be the wrong explosion.
What if you had a puking pasty and then a poo? Would that be?
What's that?
Is that an idea?
What?
I'm gonna make that happen.
Yeah. So we can test this out. There's the other one.
I feel like that's a challenge. See, we got somebody to do it already.
Yeah,
it's perfect.